So, manifestation and visualization become important. For each and every one of you to visualize healing within your own body, to visualize calmness within your own body, and to begin to visualize that peace and harmony spreading out is extremely important. I am Saint Germain. Between myself and the Ascended Master of the aspect of the Divine Mother coming through the Kuan Yin Compassionate One aspect, we gave you a visualization that we will now give you again. This part is important. Open your bodies. Keep your spine relaxed but straight. Keep your palms open, equally connected. The palms are outside of the center of your body, the palms of your hands, and the fingertips are outside of the center of your body as they are slightly spread wider than your shoulders. Yet the heart connects them. The arms grow out of the heart if you look at the human fetus. And so you can create from the heart with the vibration from those hands. You can create healing and wholeness. Trust in this, know this. The visualization begins with you simply visualizing your spinal cord. Visualize your spinal cord as a hollow tube. Breathing in and out, visualize the energy of your breath turning green. Visualize your nostrils and the direction that you give your nostrils to pull in a green liquid energy. The atmosphere around you is green. It's healing green because you manifest the healing green, because you say so. I am surrounded by green, healing, vibrational energy. Go ahead and say it. Command it. I am surrounded by green, vibrational, healing energy. I am surrounded by healing, vibrational, green energy. And say it with your name. I am, and your name, am surrounded by green, healing, vibrational energy. And breathing it in, visualize the nostrils connecting to the top of your spine, and on the release breath, the energy moving down the spinal cord. On the inward breath, the energy moving up the spinal cord. Green vibrational energy moving through this hollow tube that is your spinal cord. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Manifest the green energy moving up and down your spine. To the right side of the spine and the left, there's a narrow column. It's crystalline in structure, but imagine it flexible like a plastic tube, laying right upside of your spinal column, and left side, right up to the left side of your spinal column. And now all three are flushing the body with green vibrational energy. Allow yourself to breathe it in and see your third dimensional self manifesting that healing energy through the spinal cord and the yin and the yang channels on either side of the spinal cord. Continuing to breathe now, opening your heart, and call on your multidimensional self. Your multidimensional self has a green tree-like energy. Breathing it up and down the multidimensional spinal cord. At the same time you are breathing the green energy through the hollow tube of the spine in your 3D body, the green energy and the channel on the right to the left of it, up and down through the physical body, You are now connecting to your higher vibrational body, your multidimensional self, a higher self of healing with the ability to manifest and to visualize in a very powerful, multidimensional way. And so up and down the back, a green tree-like energy coming up, rooting into the earth as you continue to breathe in the third dimensional body, The spinal cord sends roots, green arcs, down into the earth and pulls energy deeply from the center of the earth. Pulls energy deeply from the center of the earth. The multidimensional self begins to superimpose over that spinal cord, over that hollow tube, over those two channels of energy. And now there is a green tree, a substance of fine filaments that create a trunk from the roots at the tailbone that go deeply down into the new healed multidimensional Mother Earth. And this trunk moves up your spinal cord with branches spreading out by the kidneys on either side, by the lower back on either side, with branches spreading out by the shoulders, the shoulder blades, with branches, tiny filaments spreading out, moving all along, branching out, wrapping around your shoulders, the front of your body, feeling that move up the back of the head, the back of the skull, supporting you. Fine green filaments, branches that are fine green branches, swirling in your body, connecting to the third dimensional self and its ability to visualize your spinal cord with the green arc of energy moving through the spinal cord. Visualize your higher dimensional self beginning to connect together and drawing the energy in, holding the palms. You should feel the vibration in your body. Tone 5 times, slowly using your awareness to move up and down the spine and see this happening in your being. See those threads like blood vessels moving through your whole body. See those threads like tiny filaments of your nervous system. See those green branches wrapping through, moving up and down and out throughout your body. I give you this and ask this of you. You will receive a download of this. Try to listen to the download as many more times as you can between now and the winter solstice. Try to listen to it as many times as you can and visualize whenever you can the green tree growing up the spine, all the filaments moving through your body, the hollow tube of your spine with the green energy flushing through it, and the channel on either side. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Practice of this visualization will begin to strengthen your ability to manifest, will begin to give you the ability to manifest with love in your heart, a more loving experience for yourself. You won't immediately begin to transform matter from one thing to another, but you will eventually begin to do that. First, you will be able to transform thoughts and feelings. First, you will be able to lift your vibration, to lift your light, to lift your spirits. First, you'll be able to transform on that level. Eventually, on the more dense material level. Don't try to force it. Be with yourself. You are opening to your gifts. And remember, in the greater manifestation, you all had gifts that worked in unity consciousness. Not necessary to wish for one gift as greater than another, for they all are perfection within themselves. And just as each of you individually have your own soul language, that the universal language has ability to speak to every single one of them. So ultimately, when you open to the universe, you will understand people more fully in their feeling bodies or vibrational bodies. This perhaps won't make complete sense to you now, but ultimately it makes you more loving, more tolerant, more acceptance of others for where they are, without having them have to be something that you would perceive or wish them to be. And so you move to a state of non-attachment, to a state of detachment, a loving state of detachment, a state of loving detachment. I am Saint Germain, always with you, guardian of the violet flame, holding the palms open. Feel the energy pouring into the heart. Gently draw the left palm towards the heart, keeping the right palm facing out in the world. Take a moment to send the manifestation of love into the world. And perhaps there's someone you wish to send love to. You may imagine sending them love. They don't have to take it in, but you can send it. If they don't take it in, it will simply move out into the universe and find someone who needs it and who is open to it. I am Saint Germain.